Okay, so this is our test setup. Right now we're running an Amazon Basics HDMI cable to this Dell monitor. You can see that right there. It's Amazon Basics. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put this laptop into standby mode. Hit the power button here. And we'll take a look at what this monitor does. Alright, and there we go. We're going right into sleep mode. So we'll power this back on. And our monitor is just fine here. So now we'll switch over to the cable purchased here from the questionable seller. Okay. Hold this over here. Okay, we're all connected up here. And now let's see what happens when we go into standby mode. Now we see the cable has been disconnected. This is what happens when manufacturers take shortcuts and they leave out various pins in the HDMI cable.